sum function in the Google Sheet. Now I have a small example here. Before you do it, I want you to read the question first. How to sum up to show the total student score in cell? So here I need to show the answer after I calculate plus all the subject score, the student, and so in this cell. So I have one question more asked to you. So what is the sum function that we use for recalculate and show the answer here? Can you tell me now? Okay, I hope that you know the answer. Now I want to use let my practice. So what the function that I use it? Alright, can you tell me what function did I use at the moment? Okay, correct answer. I use sum for the sum of all the subject the student after exam. So all of here that is score, computer, English, chemistry, and skill. I just press so equal sign. I click on this button to close and it is to explain you. Next, tab sum, SUM. Open bracket. Next, you need to select all the subject score of the student. You just do like that here. Finish, close bracket. And after, press enter to show answer. Okay, so I have a question here. So this is the cell, more the student, E, T, Y, and O, Y. Don't show the answer in cells. Okay, so if don't show the answer, you can do like this here. Click the first cell and click on this button and pull it down. All of the cell will calculate the row that you selected. One more thing that you want to know the rows that calculate, just click on here. You will see that all of here, 1 cell, 2 and 3, 4 cell, and sum up in this cell. Okay, so with the basics, so this is the one example that I want to show to you, and I want to know that about one more example. So this is the sum, how to calculate all the cell price and display in total. Okay, so I just remove. If I want to show the answer, okay, easy. Just press equal sign. Next, I just tap sum. Okay, so I express to use again about the sum function. We use it for the plus cell that you want to sum up. Okay, so next, open the bracket here and select all the cell that you want to calculate or sum and close bracket. And the last one, press enter to show answer. Okay, so this is the money that all of the that I sell. Alright, so this is the sum. The most time that we use sum for a calculate or plus something that to sum up data. And this is the basic example. You can do it, try to test if you are first time with the Google or you force to your work also. Thank you for your listening. See you in the next video. Goodbye.